Spanje.
Roadtrip.
Roadtrip.
Van life.
Van life. Dark light.
Making more bad decisions.
Dark lighting.
Yeah.
So Manny, what's the plan?
Well, stay tuned. We're picking up more project cars. Or are we? I mean, we're driving a van. Think about it. Hi.
Vans.
Van life. Picking up more bad decision projects.
So Manny, tell us what happened. What did you buy?
I bought another nugget.
What?
It's in the bag. You can look at it.
Should look at it.
Should probably look at it.
I mean, it's not like you have enough projects already anyways.
No.
Oh yeah. There you go.
One.
Sure. Manny is blij. Yeah, we're gonna do some late breakfast at the moment. Fresh orange juice for days. Yeah, so how are you feeling, Manny? Regretting your decision already?
I'm regretting the people that do the paperwork. God damn, Ali.
So Manny wanted to have the bike suspended right away so we can work on it for the winter to have it done by the time he has his motorcycle license. And they didn't suspend the bike, so now we can pay unnecessary extra
Cash just to get it insured, to pay taxes, then to wait a month or something till I have, or a few days till I have the paperwork, to just literally get it out again.
Yeah, so small little things. Anyways, it's time for some breakfast. Let's see how it looks in a moment.
So the plan was to get two and make one great. This one is the bike you will see in the pictures we picked up already. We went to look at the other bike. It was naked, the frame was rusted, the tank was rusted, it ran like dog shit, it had exhaust rattling against the frame. Just not a good bike.
All in all, that would be another money pit.
So I decided not to take that. I just decided to keep this. Put the little things I want on it. And get it running. It's gonna be my first bike.
Yeah, alright, there we go.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah.